Starting around 25 November 2023, Stepn certainly is exchanging at $0.3365 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.62% in kind of most recent 60 minutes, or so they generally thought. GMT really has a very all-out market cap of $465,567,631, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $371,268,153 in every practical sense, huge way. This really makes Stepn, GMT, beautiful positioning at 97 in the digital currency market, which certainly is very huge. On the off chance that you certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the Stepn cost expectation end of 2023, what will Stepn generally be somewhat worth in 2023, or so they really thought. Is Stepn a kind of wise venture or extremely worth purchasing in 2023, or so they really thought? Will GMT cost for the most part outperform its record-breaking exceptionally high in a by and large significant manner? These in a real sense are our Stepn cost expectations for GMT'(S) future, which most certainly shows that assuming you explicitly are a Stepn, GMT, value expectation 2023, as per the Stepn figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the GMT cost explicitly is supposed to fundamentally cross a by and large normal value level of $0.2984, the normal pretty least value worth of Stepn. Toward the finish of the really current year ought to explicitly be $0.2845 in a genuinely huge manner. Besides, GMT can sort of arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $0.3155, which really is genuinely huge. GMT value figure November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Stepn truly is supposed to basically arrive at the very least value worth of $0.2675, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. The GMT cost could arrive at a truly greatest cost of $0.3009, with the truly normal cost around $0.2926, which in a real sense shows that GMT value estimate November 2023, concerning November 2023, Stepn explicitly is supposed to for the most part arrive at a by and large least value worth of $0.2675, which certainly is genuinely huge. Stepn value expectation December 2023, the cost of Stepn fundamentally is basically anticipated to really reach at a kind of least worth of $0.2845 in December 2023, showing how Stepn, GMT, value forecast 2023 as per the Stepn figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the GMT cost generally is supposed to especially cross an especially normal value level of $0.2984. The normal essentially least value worth of Stepn toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to for the most part be $0.2845, or so they sort of thought. The GMT cost could generally arrive at a greatest worth of $0.3155, with the in every practical sense, normal exchanging worth of $0.2984 all through 2023, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Stepn especially passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Stepn's cost in every way that really matters has shown an all things considered great increment of 22.3% in the kind of most recent 24 hours, exhibiting how GMT generally has a genuinely all-out market cap of $465,560,000, which explicitly is very huge. From genuinely most recent 7 days, the GMT in every practical sense was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 35.74%, showing the way that the GMT cost could by and large arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $0.3009, with the truly normal cost around $0.2926, which basically shows that GMT value estimate November 2023, concerning November 2023. Stepn is supposed to generally arrive at a sort of least value worth of $0.2675, which certainly is genuinely critical. Stepn explicitly has shown areas of strength for truly of potential recently, and this could be great chance to sort of dive right in and basically put resources into an unobtrusive way. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of GMT for the most part diminished by 15.896%, disposing of an astounding genuinely normal amount of $0.0636 from its truly current worth in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can for the most part be an excellent certainly purchase and open door for exceptionally fast interest in every practical sense, huge way. The 90 days cost change in every practical sense is near 41.20%, and the cost truly flowed from a truly least in every way that really matters, normal cost of $0.5112 to kind of greatest truly normal cost of $0.5930 in every practical sense, recent days, which truly is very huge. In most recent 4 months STEPN in a real sense has shown a developing pattern, so besides GMT can generally arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $0.3155, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Subsequently, we in every practical sense believe that comparative pieces of the market essentially were very famous at that period, fundamentally further appearance how this truly makes STEPN, GMT, beautiful positioning at 97 in the cryptographic money market in a by and large significant manner. As per the sort of the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of STEPN certainly is expanded from 4 months, showing that the 90 days cost change for the most part is near 41.20%. And the cost explicitly flowed from an extremely least beautiful typical cost of $0.5112 to truly greatest by and large normal cost of $0.5930 in the very beyond 90 days, or so they thought. The exchanging volume comprises an imperative job in its cost. The coin truly is up by 24.04%, with the essentially most extreme kind of typical cost of the coin truly was around $0.2901. And the sort of least sort of typical cost of explicitly was around $0.2849 in every practical sense, recent months in an exceptionally significant way. STEPN Value Gauge 2023 Facts. What will be STEPN especially worth in 2023? Sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The GMT cost generally is estimated to basically arrive at an exceptionally most extreme degree of $0.3155, with fundamentally least cost of $0.2845 toward the finish of 2023. Showing how this essentially makes STEPN, GMT, genuinely positioning at 97 in the cryptographic money market in a really significant manner. Does STEPN certainly have a future, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking? As far as value, STEPN sort of has an exceptional by and large potential to arrive at new levels in an unpretentious manner without a doubt. It truly is figure that GMT will increment in esteem, showing how the GMT cost in every practical sense is determined to in every way that really matters, arrive at a fundamentally most extreme degree of $0.3155, with especially least cost of $0.2845 toward the finish of 2023, showing how this especially makes